Good morning, dear children. Good morning, dear children. Only two children are there, Harshit and Punya. Hmm? What about the rest of children? क्या हुआ? बाकी लोग क्यों नहीं आ रहे क्लास में? You are free to talk with me. Okay. First of all, tell me one thing, children. Shall we start our class with direct question paper discussion or something revision you want? Revision means if you have any doubt, है ना? Please encircle it and tell me as you make one group. As you created one group 10th B, है ना? वहाँ पे आप लोग मेरे को बता दीजिए कि मैम tomorrow we want to learn this, want this, and next day I will be ready with particular thing. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can agriculture chapter is not clear, ma'am.
Agriculture chapter is not clear. Shreyans Chopra is saying
Yes.
agriculture chapter is not clear. So shall I tell to Shipra ma'am to explain it, or you want explanation from me? If you want explanation from me, I will.
From you.
Okay, so I will explain it. Okay, tomorrow I will bring my PPT. Unfortunately, all the system, पता नहीं वायरस आ गया, कुछ हो गया है, 3 लैपटॉप हमारे खराब हो गए स्कूल की वजह से, और कल जो मेरा गोल्डन पेन ड्राइव था जिसमें मेरे 15 इयर्स का जो मेरा मेहनत था वो करप्ट हो गया. So I have my PPTs in my laptop. So tomorrow I will bring and I will explain the chapter agriculture. Okay. So for today I am asking children, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am, you may start.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Question paper discussion. So that day we
Yes.
discussed the first part of the same thing, है ना? Sample question paper 2. That day we discussed sample question paper 1. And that question paper is in your portal. How many of you have checked it? With the name sample question paper 4, it is there in your portal. How many of you checked it? I got answer from Nandika, Ayush Lunia. बस ये 2 बच्चों ने भेजा है मेरे को आंसर. How many of you attended that PTM with principal director madam? It is clearly.
Ma'am, I did.
My
And I got answer PDF from Arpit too. Arpit ने भेजा है मेरे को. In a form of image, he was unable to make PDF. It's okay. अगर आपको कोई टेक्निकल इशू हो रहा है, नहीं भेज पा रहे, you can send me image too. I will create it, make it as PDF. But at least send it, है ना? So I will come to know कि in which area you are facing problem. मेरे बच्चे को कौन से एरिया में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, कौन सा सेक्शन वो प्रॉपरली नहीं कर पा रहा है. सो आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प इट आउट, है ना? Let's start the discussion. These things, the general instruction thing, we know all about this. All the things are very clear. Sorry. Section A. When was the France declared as a republic? When was France declared as republic? You are free to annotate here. You can use annotation and you can tick there. But सबके सब मत करना. अगर करोगे भी तो use various type of colors. Okay. If someone is using yellow and another one
1789.
17.
1789, ma'am.
यहाँ पे वो ऑप्शन है, दिख रहा है क्या?
Ma'am, we are not able to see
Screen
the
share ही
screen.
नहीं दिख रहा.
Ma'am, you have not started the screen share.
Okay. Wait a moment, children. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, now you are free to annotate here. When was France declared as a republic? When was France declared as a republic? I'm waiting for your answer, beta.
मैम बी या डी में कोई एक।
ऐसा?
Ma'am, option number C.
Option number C, 20th September.
Ma'am, 18 September No, ma'am. Option A. 1848.
मैम सी तो हो ही नहीं सकता, उस समय वो
Okay,
था।
ma'am. Option A.
Yes,
Option
option
C.
A is absolutely right. Actually, वो option यहाँ पे दिया नहीं, date wise देखा जाए तो it's 22nd September है ना? It would be 22nd September, but it is the nearest answer 21st September. So the answer would be 21st September 1792. When was the France declared as a republic? So France declared as a republic on 21st September 1792. Clear? Identify the correct statement. Identify the correct statement with the regard to the Civil Code of 1804 from the following options. A. New constitution with citizens enjoying equal rights was adopted. B. A centralized administrative system was formulated. C. All the privileges based on birth were abolished. D. It emphasized the concept of government by consent.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
answer
option
is
number C. Option B.
all
Ma'am,
the
C.
privileges based on birth
Option B.
A.
बी भी हो
A
सकता
centralized
है।
administrative system was formulated.
Are one by one, beta,
Option
not in
D.
this way. Now tell any one of you or annotate here. Please tick the correct option.
Ma'am, option B. A
Option
centralized
B.
administrative system was formulated by Napoleon.
It's absolutely
Option
right.
C.
Option B. A centralized administrative system was formulated. Good. Thank you, Kushal. Question number 3. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in the sequence in which the events occurred. First, Chora Chori. Second, Khilafat movement. Third, second, Round Table Conference. Fourth, Civil Disobedience movement. So, what would be the right answer?
Ma'am, option C.
Option C, ma'am. Option C.
Option
C.
C.
Khilafat movement, then Chora Chori, then Civil Disobedience, then second Round Table. Yes, absolutely right. Does religion of India have well developed terrace farming? Does regions of India have well developed terrace farming?
Ma'am, northern regions.
Which regions?
Northern is northeast region.
Yes. Or dash is made up of lava. ये तो ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन है. मेड अप ऑफ लावा में आप बहुत सारी चीजें लिख सकते हैं. बोलो. डैश इज मेड अप ऑफ लावा. अरे जल्दी बोलो बेटा, वेटिंग. What happened? Children?
Ma'am, red yellow soil.
Ma'am, I
Black
think it
soil.
is black soil.
Black soil.
और किसी को कुछ बोलना है? The question is dash is made up of lava. If you are saying soil, so black soil is right answer. Now, next, question number 5. What is the sequence of manufacturing steel? First, pig iron. Second, shaping metal. Third, blast furnace.
Ma'am, C.
Fourth, steel manufacturing.
Ma'am, C.
C.
C means blast furnace, pig iron, steel manufacturing and shaping metal. Yes, option C is right answer. Most of you committed mistake in this portion, you know, your objective and case study, जो कि सबसे easy था. मेरे को लगा था कि 32 out of 32 all of you will get. Complete the following table using correct information with regards to cultivation of jowar. Annual rainfall required for jowar. You are taking too much time, beta. Annual rainfall required for jowar. Annual rainfall required for jowar.
40 centimeter.
Yes, right answer, 40 centimeter. And the temperature required for jowar. जल्दी बोलो बेटा, पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करना है. If you will say in a Celsius or centigrade, it would be 27 degrees centigrade to 32 degrees centigrade. Okay. Identify the soil with the help of the following figures. Ideal for growing cotton, capacity to hold moisture, poor in phosphoric content. ये कौन सा होगा? Ideal for growing cotton.
Black soil.
Right.
Black soil.
Capacity to hold moisture. अरे moisture सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी soil में होता है?
Black soil.
Black में नहीं होता moisture. Clay soil.
No ma'am, it has the capacity to hold water.
Okay, moisture and water. Okay. Poor in phosphoric content.
Ma'am, the answer is black soil.
Again black soil. The soil poor.
Ma'am, it is the features of one soil only, no?
So the right answer is black soil. Question number 8. Sahara Airlines and BSES are examples of public sector, joint sector, private sector, none of the above. Sahara Airlines and BSES are the examples of Kushal Khajanchi Singh public sector.
Ma'am, joint sector.
Yes, ma'am, joint.
Ma'am, C.
Sahara Airlines is a joint sector. Akshat, don't do that, beta. Akshat Malu. Sahara.
मैम मैं सी वाले को टिक कर रहा था, गलती से लाइन ड्रॉ हो गया.
It's okay. So once again, tell me, Sahara Airlines are the examples of public sector, joint sector, private sector.
Ma'am, private sector.
नहीं, private तो absolutely wrong है. चलो मैं आपको hint देती हूँ. You have choice between joint sector and public sector.
Public sector.
Ma'am, public sector.
Yes, public sector बेटा, क्योंकि Sahara Airlines government का है. Public sector is right answer. Which major social group constituted the large share in population of Sri Lanka?
Sinhala.
Sinhalas.
Sinhala.
Right answer.
Sinhala.
Which country has two-party system?
USA.
Yes. What
USA.
is mean by transparency? What is meant by transparency?
It is a feature of government wherein all the activities that are being done by the government can be asked and can be the information of those activities can be obtained by the normal masses.
Good. Next is, which minority community is relatively rich and powerful in Belgium?
French.
Huh?
French.
French.
French
French,
community
ma'am.
is right answer.
French.
French community is right answer. Okay. Which country has adopted Buddhism as an
Sri
official
Lanka.
religion?
Sri Lanka.
Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri
Sri
Lanka.
Lanka.
Yes. Now, match list 1 with second and select the correct answer using the codes given in the list. Union of India, State, Municipal Corporation, Gram Panchayat. And at the list 2, Prime Minister, Sarpanch, Governor, Mayor. Union of India,
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
Governor.
Governor. Municipal Corporation,
Mayor.
Mayor.
Right, mayor.
AC.
Mayor.
Mayor.
Means your code would be ACDB. Yes. Now, the section next where you face problem. Read the information given below and select the correct option. The developed countries have gone through historic changes in the economic sector as the economic activities had gradually shifted from primary to secondary to tertiary sector. Now, service sector has become the most important sector. The shifting of economic activities does not mean complete elimination of previous sectors, but the importance and dominance of next sector is increased. History of development countries indicates that A. There is a production of goods and services in the three sectors. B. There has been a major shift from secondary to tertiary sectors. C. Most of the employed people in developed countries are employed in tertiary sector. D. Primary sectors has become the most important sectors of the economy.
C.
B.
I'm option B.
There has been a major shift from secondary to tertiary sector.
Yes, there has been a major shift from secondary to tertiary sector. Next option is there. The shifting of economic activities meant previous sector have been completely eliminated. Importance of next sector is increased. Production in three sectors has been increased substantially. Primary sector has increased
B.
quantity.
Importance of next
Ma'am,
sector is
option number B.
Importance of next sector is increased. Next, development of a country can generally be determined by its per capita income.
Per capita income.
Per capita income.
Per capita income.
Which one of the following statements defines literacy rate? चलो जल्दी से बताओ literacy rate.
Ma'am, option number D.
A.
Option D.
It means
Ah,
the
sorry, D.
proportion of literate population in 7 years and above age. Kushal is saying total literate population divided by total population. No beta, option A is absolutely wrong. Option B is right. It means, measures the population of literate population in the 7 years and the above age group. Question number 16. In the question given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and the reason R. Read the statement and choose the correct option. So read the statement and give me the answer.
I'm A.
Fair globalization would create opportunities for all and also ensure that the benefit of globalization are shared better. The government can help the Sorry, achieve the objective of fair globalization. Now tell me,
Option number A.
both A
I'm
and
A.
R are true, and R is the correct
A.
explanation of A. Yes.
No, B. I
R is not correct explanation of R is the government can help the achieve the objective. नहीं बेटा ठीक है ये तो. It's a fair reason ना. Correct explanation of A.
Okay.
Now, section B. Why did non-cooperation movement gradually slow down in cities? Explain any three reasons. Here you can give me only any three solid reasons. Why did non-cooperation movement gradually slow down in cities? Explain three reasons. क्यों हो गया था slow down? What was the reason behind that?
हम चौरी
Ma'am,
चौरा
first reason should be khadi clothes were expensive than foreign clothes.
Yes.
Ma'am, teachers and students who left their study or job, there was no Indian school so that they can teach or learn.
Okay. One more. Two solid answer we got. First, the khadi was too expensive because foreign goods were boycotted and people were appealed to use khadi, which was very expensive. Second, I think Punya, you told na ki
Yes, ma'am.
schools and they have to left the school, and that time India was not in that situation to open so many institutions for jobs and other facilities. Yes, what would be the third one? जल्दी बोलो बेटा. इतना सोचना पड़ रहा है.
Ma'am, I think Jallianwala Bagh can't.
नहीं जलियांवाला बाग बेटा वो रॉलेट सत्याग्रह का वो था ना. यहाँ पे नॉन कॉपरेशन की बात चल रही है ना. नॉन
Ma'am, there was not a good Indian substitute.
any three reasons simple.
मैम चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट
चौरी चौरा उसकी वजह से स्लो डाउन हो गया कि उसकी वजह से और ज्यादा हो गया? अभी जैसे पुण्य ने कहा ना कि schools were closed, they have to join. थर्ड रीजन होगा कि इंडिया had not that much of facilities of institutions where they can do jobs and all. That's why these movement slowly gradually slow down in the cities. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
How was
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How was the concept of nationalism introduced by French Revolution? How was
Idea of la patrie and le citoyen was emphasized the nation.
French become
and
the common language.
what three marks?
New Heinz and notes were taken.
Tell me in point.
Ma'am, National Assembly.
नेशनल असेंबली से क्या हुआ था? नेशनलिज्म इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. सिंपल यू नीड टू राइट एनी 3 पॉइंट दैट nationalism introduced by French Revolution. Nationalism introduced by French Revolution. जल्दी बताओ.
Ma'am, as the idea of a constitution had come up in France, and that France had a republic before Napoleon's invasion, the ideas of La Patrie and La Citoyen became very popular amongst the French people. So, and the love for their nation became a very commonplace thing, and this was continued until Napoleon came and divided the people. But some of the people who had nationalist thinking, they overthrew Napoleon with the help of other allies.
Okay. Nice. So you need to write any 3 point wise, first, second, third. Okay. आप लोग इसको पैराग्राफ में नहीं लिखेंगे. Explain the effect of worldwide economic depression in India towards late 1920s.
Ma'am, price of many Indian goods decreased.
ये एक पॉइंट हो गया.
Crops had failed in India due to due to droughts in many places, and there was a countrywide famine.
One more.
Ma'am, British were taking more taxes so that they can recover from the great economic depression.
ठीक है. Explain any 3 factors for the localization of an industry in a particular area.
Ma'am, availability of raw material, availability of capital income, availability of labor.
Good. Very good. Parties play a decisive role in making law for a country. Explain. Parties play a decisive role in making of law for a country. Explain. Explain in your own word. No need to be too much bookish. अब अपना व्यू यहाँ पे बता सकते हो कि कोई भी पार्टी जो होता है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कैसे डिसीजन मेकिंग बनता है, रोल प्ले करता है, बताओ.
Parties, the political parties, they listen to the interests of the people, and then they come up with offers such as new bills that could help the people.
Yes.
And then those bills are to be passed by both the houses of the parliament.
Yes.
So first they come up with the policies, later which turn into bills.
Good.
And the party who lose the election may do the role of opposition. This may help to make a good bill.
Very good. I was just waiting for this point only. What are recognized political parties? Give 2 examples. What are recognized political parties? Give 2 examples. पहले recognized political party बताओ और उसके 2 example लिखो. Here you can write your answer in a paragraph. No need to write such answers in points. Beta, I am waiting for your answer. What are recognized political parties? Give any 2 examples in your own word.
Ma'am, recognize political parties, the parties which are appointed by Election Commission of India, and they are given a symbol by the ECI.
इसमें लोकसभा राज्यसभा का कोई रोल नहीं होता. रिकॉग्नाइज पार्टी होने के लिए लोकसभा राज्यसभा का कोई रोल नहीं होता.
Ma'am, this can be bifurcated into national parties and regional parties.
Yes.
So we can state that is required for a party to be recognized as a national party, meaning that it would have to at least 6% votes in Lok Sabha elections.
No,
and the number
it's 2%, है ना? Not 6%, only 2%.
for a national party, ma'am.
Yes, I am also talking about national party. National party, if it is fulfills 2% in Lok Sabha. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एग्जाम्पल है भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
हाँ.
Indian National Congress,
हम्म.
and
मैम अफ्रीकन
Bahujan
नेशनल
Samaj
कांग्रेस,
Party.
हाँ, 2 एग्जाम्पल.
Telugu Desam Party.
हाँ.
मैम अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस,
Globalization
आम
has
आदमी पार्टी.
Globalization has been advantageous to consumers as well as producers. Support the statement with suitable examples. Natao, do you think so? Globalization has been advantageous to the consumer as well as to producers.
Yes, ma'am.
As
Because
because of
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. As because of globalization, the producer are able to sell their products in the other countries also.
and the
because of
consumer can
globalization, the consumers are being able to buy products that are available at a cheaper price and that are of a better quality. And the consumers, they have to face a competition and they have to better the qualities of their products in order to be able to sell their products in the international market.
Good. और एक लास्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमएनसीज को इंक्लूड करो इसमें. इंक्लूड हियर
Yes, ma'am. MNC has been set up in many nations.
है ना. न्यूमरस जॉब्स हैव बीन क्रिएटेड बाय द वर्क ऑफ द एमएनसीज एंड द लोकल कंपनीज. है ना. एमएनसी सेटअप होगा तो क्या होगा, लोगों को जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, credit has its own unique role for development. Credit has its own unique role for development. Justify the statement with argument.
Credit can be used in a positive situation. When a person takes any amount of credit, that amount of money can be used for the personal development of that person. For example, if a shoe seller takes up a loan from the bank to fulfill his requirements for an order, then he can repay the loan by the profits that have been earned by him. So in this way, credit can be used for one's development.
Good. Now the section C. Before solving this, please tell me, is there any problem to solve such type of question? Case study questions? Because 80% of you have committed made mistake in such questions in your pre-board first. 80% children. बहुत कम लोग हैं जिन्होंने 16 आउट ऑफ 16 इसमें लेके आए हैं, जबकि मेरे को लगा था कि आप लोग सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन सी बहुत अच्छे से करेंगे. 32 मार्क्स आपके हाथ में है. एनी वन ऑफ यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम इन सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस? So first of all, you need to read this paragraph properly. Then after you need to solve this. Okay, please read it out, any one of you. We have only 2
Another
minutes.
important feature of the civil disobedience movement was the large-scale participation of women. During Gandhiji's Salt March, thousands of women came out of their homes to listen to him. They participated in protest marches, manufactured salt and picketed foreign clothes and liquor shops. Many went to jail. In urban areas. These women were from high caste families. In rural areas, they came from rich peasant households. Moved by Gandhiji's call, they began to see service to the nation as a scared duty of women. Gandhiji was convinced that it was the duty of women to look after home and hearth, be good mothers and good wives, and for a long time the Congress was reluctant to allow women to hold any position of authority within the organization. It was keen only on their symbolic presence.
Good. Now see the question. During Gandhiji's Salt March, thousands of women participated in providing service to the nation, fighting for struggle, doing protest march, widespread resentment. बताओ
Option B.
Doing protest.
Yes,
Ma'am,
option B,
option
doing protest and marches. The women from rural areas mainly belong to high caste families, rich peasants
Rich
also.
peasant household.
Rich peasant households.
Option C.
Yes. When did Gandhiji initiated the movement in Champaran in Bihar against the oppressive indigo plantation system?
1960.
Champaran.
1918.
Ma'am, 1918.
Yes,
Option D.
right answer. And the last, women thought these as a sacred duty moved by Gandhiji's looking after home and hearth, service to the nation,